Much to my surprise the other day, a package arrived, totally unexpected, from Jody Sims. So, since there's a lot of tape on this side, I'm going to open it from this side. Let's see what's in here. I don't know why you're sending me something, Jody. I'm not expecting anything. Let's see what we can do here. Okay. Careful with this since I'm opening it the wrong way. Oh, I know it. Let's do it like this. It's cheap. There we go. There's the bag. I can use for the stuff. There's a letter. Let's see what the letter says. Jim, howdy. Hope all is well with you. Enclosed is the Silva Challenger from Wastelands Wednesday, episode 46. Had a great time doing the challenge. Thanks for sponsoring Death Race 2024. Love your entry. Good luck. Also threw in a few other goodies. Take care and God bless. Jody, JodeZero. Okay. 70 Honda N600 off-road. That's cool. I like that. Oh, I want to do something with that. I'm thinking this must be the Silva Challenger. So, oh, the Enterprise. That's cool. Oddly enough, I don't recall ever seeing the Hot Wheels Enterprise before. I mean, I knew it was out there, but I've never seen it. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, no. There's that. Okay. So maybe this is a Gundam kit. Oh, Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid Sport Turismo. I love Porsches. Electric or not. Uh-oh. I don't know what that might... Oh, maybe that came out of the Gundam box. I don't know. I'll keep that handy. JodeZero ashtray. What the heck? Oh, it's songs by Jody. Oh, that's cool. I'm going to have to play this. Thanks, Jody. That's too cool. Way too cool. Let's see if this is actually... Thinking, oh, yeah. This actually is a Gundam kit. Oh, that's... or parts of a Gundam kit, at least. No, it looks like the whole Gundam kit. That's too cool. Well, thanks, Jody. I've watched a lot of Gundam stuff on YouTube. I've wanted to get some parts or something to put into other builds, so that's cool. Thank you. Let's see. This has got to be the Silva Challenger in these boxes. Pardon me for a second while I fight this. I know this might have even been the box I sent him at one point. Oh, there we go. It's really tough to get apart. And anyhow, check this out. Let's put the bubble foam away. Oh, that's cool. That's way too cool. I love that, Jody. That's great. That is so cool. Love the look on the metal. Silva logo, hand painted on there. Silva logo. Silva logo. You can never have too many Silva logos. Which I got something in the mail the other day that is going to take the Silva logo to an odd extreme. It's going to give everybody, well, 10 lucky people, I think it was 10, the chance to make use of the logo. So anyhow, there you have it. That is cool. Thank you, Jody. Thank you so much for everything you sent here. And everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. And catch you in the next one. Be sure and check out Jody's channel. I'll put a link to his channel in the description. Catch you all later.